Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install and activate Filmora video editing software. So first of all you have to turn off your voice and security threat protection. So turn off it as here I'm doing. Now the next step is to come here to the zip file that we can download from the internet, and the best website is the get into PC. For this extraction the password is 123, and here you can come to that setup that you extracted previously. Run this as sit as run as administrator. So wait it to till it run. Hit this checkbox and install it. Okay. Now wait till it's the installation completed here. This will take a few seconds and it depends upon the quality and the capacity of your PC. Now it is almost completed, so let's wait it till finish. Just a few seconds are left. So that's initial installation has finished. Now the next step is to activate it. So come to that setup and find the crack file. So this is the crack file. Copy it and then paste it in the file location of that installed software Filmora. So come here and right click on it and you will see the open file location. So open it just and paste that crack file, and here run this file as administrator. Now this pop-up window will appear to you. Click any button, I clicked one, and then as you continue it, so you will get this email and this password. So then this password can be used inside that Filmora. When you open this and click on the help button, then you will see the option of activate. So just